Yeah. Hi, hello, everyone. This is Shanmugaraj. Welcome to my channel. One of the aims of this channel is to build a global knowledge sharing platform in the domains of leadership, agile, and project management. You guys can help me with that either by subscribing to my channel or sharing my videos to your friends and colleagues who are in need of it. Right? So, having said that, let us get into today's context. We are currently discussing topics in SAFe 6.0, right? Particularly glossary items. Today's topic is solution train engineer. A system is never the sum of its parts. It's the product of their interaction, right? So this statement gives an importance of having a healthy interaction or having a wonderful collaboration among your stakeholders. So that gives an importance of such roles like solution train engineer or a release train engineer, right? Who is a release train engineer or who is a solution train engineer? I think we already discussed in one of my earlier videos. We talked about release train engineer, who is a servant leader and coach who facilitates agile release train, right? Similar context, the solution train engineer is a servant leader and coach who facilitates solution train events and processes, coordinates the work of arts and suppliers, and supports arts in delivering value, right? So solution train engineer sits, above release train engineers. So he or she coordinates among multiple arts, multiple suppliers, right? So within the context of a particular solution train, right? To succeed in the digital age, many organizations must efficiently build and evolve large solutions that fulfill their customers' most critical business needs. Building such solutions can involve hundreds, sometimes thousands of people on solution trains organized around complex value streams. So these value streams require a dedicated role to lead associated agile release trains and suppliers through the efficient execution of their shared solution strategy, right? That role is solution train engineer. So the dedicated role is a dedicated role to lead your associated agile release trains, right? So in turn, you might be, responsible for coordinating multiple release train engineers, multiple stakeholders within that solution train, right? Solution train engineer is part of a solution train triad actually. As you see it in the picture, for running a solution train in an effective manner, you need to have a triad of roles, right? Solution management, solution architect, and solution train engineer, right? So leading solution trains through the delivery of large solutions requires significant coordination of the end-to-end value stream. So this is challenging because a solution train involves multiple arts and suppliers that must operate in a unison across distinct product lines and organizational boundaries. So STE, solution train, is one of the trio of roles that aligns people and teams to a shared solution strategy, right? These three roles, right? Solution management, solution architect, and STE, these roles reinforce one another. Solution management and solution architects define the solution, while the STE coordinates efficient development and delivery. Together, they steer the solution train through the multiple plan, do, check, adjust cycles required to deliver large solution in the shortest sustainable lead time. The STE also works in close collaboration with agile release trains and release train engineers, right? I mentioned already. Each of whom is responsible for coordinating the delivery of the critical aspect of the solution. Together, the STE and RTEs comprise a coordination and facilitated network that guides all the teams in the solution train through the effective execution of solution strategy. Let us try to understand what are the high level areas or critical areas of responsibilities of STE. STE responsibilities fall into 5 areas as shown here. We may discuss in detail in a separate video. Now we understand what are the primary areas of responsibilities of a solution train engineer, right? So solution train engineer responsible for facilitating solution train PA planning, right? Coordination of large solution delivery, coaching solution train stakeholders. They are responsible for optimizing flow and improving relentlessly, right? So these are the 5 areas of responsibilities solution train engineer need to focus on. Okay, with that we come to the conclusion of this video. Hope you guys got a fair view on what do we mean by solution train engineer and how they play an important role as part of solution train, being an important roles of triad of solutions, and they coordinate seamlessly among listed engineers and suppliers and other stakeholders. We also talked about 5 key responsibilities of a solution train engineer, right? So hope you guys got a reasonable idea, and you guys can put your comments how this solution train engineer works in your company. Hope this kind of videos that helps you to improve your agile knowledge and vocabulary. In turn, that would help you to build your career up. So with that, I'm signing off. See you in the next video.